You are in need of some high performance speaker cable. You want to make sure that you are getting the right items. For this purpose, you have to make sure that you are getting something that is really going to work well for your needs. So knowing what these factors are should help you to decide better. Since there are many providers that you can find around, it helps a lot that you have a real good notion of the many things that you have to consider to ensure that the store you will be referring to this time are able to give you the items that you need. It is always important that you know what to get as well as where to get so you can maximize these options that you have. There are things that you need to do and things that you need to look into if you are truly aiming towards making the right choice. Ensure that you are only going for those that can really help you out just right. So it does matter a lot that you'll consider all these factors first before you will decide on a specific supplier to get you the stuff that you require. Know about the things you need. Going to a store when you have no idea of the things you are supposed to be buying can be a little overwhelming. You'll soon find out that the options that are available for you can be really more than overwhelming. So knowing what you need ahead of time makes it easier for you to buy right. Have a technician check the device you need to attach the cables to. If there are damages and there are other components that you will need to buy along the way too, it is easier for him to identify them. Doing this will also help ensure that you will save the time you have to take to make the trips to the stores, since you have gathered everything else that you need. Get the specifications of these wires that you are getting. Make sure that you know exactly what are the things that you must consider when getting these items. Thus you are sure that when you will decide to use these items, you are sure that they will not just fit, but that they will function really well too. List down the things that you'll need. You have to make sure that you are going for those choices that would really suit your needs well. It is important that you'll have a good notion of all the things that you are supposed to buy. This way, you are confident that referring to the stores is going to be easy enough for you, since you know exactly what it is that you need. Consider the quality of the high performance speaker cable that you are getting too. It is critical that you'll know if the item will function well this time. It is easier for you to opt for the most suitable choices there are when you take time to carefully assess them and their quality. At the same time, never get them without a warranty.